Welcome to our comparison of two popular Hermitlux countertop dishwashers. Today, we'll be looking at the Hermitlux countertop dishwasher with 5 washing programs and the Hermitlux countertop dishwasher with 7 washing programs. Both are designed for small spaces, but they have some key differences that could influence your choice. Let's dive in. When it comes to capacity, the Hermitlux countertop dishwasher offers a 4-place setting capacity, making it suitable for smaller households or individuals. In contrast, the Hermitlux countertop dishwasher with 7 washing programs boasts a slightly larger capacity of 5-place settings, which can be more accommodating for families or those who entertain guests frequently. This difference in capacity could be a deciding factor for users with varying dishwashing needs. Both dishwashers come equipped with multiple washing programs to cater to different cleaning needs. The first model offers 5 washing programs, including Standard, Fast, Eco, Strong, and Fruit. On the other hand, the second model provides an impressive 7 washing programs, adding options like self-clean and glass, along with additional functions such as delay and child lock. This variety in washing programs allows users to select the most efficient cleaning cycle for their specific requirements. In terms of additional features, the Hermitlux countertop dishwasher with 5 washing programs offers basic functionalities, including a glass door for monitoring the cleaning process. However, the Hermitlux countertop dishwasher with 7 washing programs stands out with its 360-degree cleaning coverage and a drying function, ensuring thorough cleaning and drying of dishes. These advanced features make it a more versatile option for users looking for enhanced performance. In conclusion, both Hermitlux countertop dishwashers provide excellent solutions for dishwashing in compact spaces. The model with 7 washing programs offers more features and a larger capacity, making it ideal for those with greater needs. Meanwhile, the model with 5 washing programs is a more economical choice for individuals or smaller households. Consider your specific requirements and budget when making your decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.